just a video of me solving my Rubik's Cube. Oh, that was quick. Nah, I'll mess it up first. There we go, it's all messed up. From this time, let's see how long it takes me. Go. Terrible already. Ow. Okay, the blue one done. There's the next one, red. So if anyone happens to know the algorithm to be able to do it so quick, please tell me how. Oh, that's not good. Okay, that's that part done. Let's do this part. I mean, I've seen a guy do it underwater. I think it was Guinness World Records though, but he did like 2 underwater. He did it in like less than 20 seconds, and I'm like, get out. Okay, we got that. Oh yeah, they're already matching. Can you see any solved? Nope. Oh. It slowed me down. Yay, that's done. Let's do it again. I need to learn how to do this finger flicking because mine's terrible, as you can see. There we go, that's solved. How long was that? Probably 2 minutes, over 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm getting there, I mean, I've seen someone solve this really quick, and like I'm stuck on like 12 minutes. 12 minutes. It's terrible. So yeah, if you know how to solve it quick, please show me.